Hi everyone, it's me again. Change the rules. Today I'm going to show you how to create a client testimonial slider. Before we start, you might ask, what is the importance of client testimonials on a website? It can build more trust for your visitors and can easily establish a mutual connection between you and potential clients, and also, they can somehow explain the benefits of your services or products and how you help their business. Let's begin. Start by inserting a new Divi slider module. I will delete the second one since we will customize the content first. I also suggest editing the slider content in the main slider settings instead of editing each slide. That way, all the slides will match each other. But first you need to add an image to the first slide. You can do this by clicking the gear icon on the left side of the slide. It will bring you to the slide settings. Under Content, you may add your image by clicking the rounded plus button. You might need to go back to the slider settings and, under the Content tab, open the Background section and select Transparent. The two backgrounds that we need to edit are the ones in the main slider settings, and the second one is the background on the slide itself. What I did was simply choose Transparent for both. Next, go to Slide Settings, open the Background section, and select a transparent background. Next, open the Text section. Since this will be a testimonial, our title will be the testimonial text and the body will be our name. Once you have all the elements ready, you can now go back to the slider settings. Before we edit the font sizes, let us edit the container first by going to the Advanced tab and opening the Custom CSS section. Under the slide description, enable the responsive views by clicking on the small mobile icon and adding 75% width for desktop and tablet and 100% width for mobile. Next, go to the Slide Button field and enable the responsive views. Add a Display None code and mark it as important for all views. Then last, go to the Slide Image field. The same with the other two fields, you need to enable the responsive options. Add a 20% width and a 5% right margin to the desktop and tablet views, then a 100% width and a 0% right margin to the mobile view. Next, go to Visibility and enable the Show Image on mobile. Now go back to the slider settings and navigate to the Design tab. On the border width, add a 1 pixel thickness, then on the rounded corners, set all sides to 8 pixels. Next, go to Box Shadow and choose the second effect beside None. Now we can start editing the content. First, on the Design tab, open the Image section. In the Image Rounded Corners fields, make all sides 100 pixels, and you can add a border thickness if you want. Now for the title text, which is now the testimonial, go to the title text section and from there you can see different options that you can use to format the text. Remember that you need to enable the responsive settings just in case you want the content to appear differently on each device. Next, the body text, which is the client's name, sometimes includes the company name and position, but for this demo, let us just use the client's name. Once you have the desired design, you can go back to the Content tab and instead of adding a new slide, just duplicate the one that you have edited. Update the content of the new slide copy by clicking the gear icon. Last, you need to edit the arrow and the dot navigation color. From the slider settings, go to the Design tab, and look for the navigation section. From there, you can change their color. That's it. Another way to create a testimonial slider. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.